Welcome to our video on the 5 best morning drinks for diabetics. Starting your day right is crucial, especially when managing diabetes. The right morning drink can set the tone for balanced blood sugar levels throughout the day. In this video, we'll guide you through making a choice that's both healthy and satisfying. Let's get it started. Landing at number 5 on our morning drink countdown for diabetics, green tea is much more than a soothing beverage to start your day. This ancient elixir is steeped in health benefits, especially for those managing diabetes. A study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry sheds light on its potential, revealing that green tea not only significantly reduces fasting blood sugar levels, but also enhances insulin sensitivity. This is largely thanks to epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, a potent antioxidant found abundantly in green tea. EGCG is a marvel of nature, mimicking the actions of insulin and thus helping to regulate blood sugar levels effectively. It also plays a crucial role in metabolic health, making green tea a powerful ally in the prevention and management of type 2 diabetes. Green tea's antioxidants combat oxidative stress and inflammation, common culprits in the development of diabetic complications, offering a protective effect that's invaluable for long-term health. Starting your day with a cup of green tea is more than a ritual. It's a proactive step towards managing diabetes. It hydrates without added sugars or calories, making it an excellent choice for those looking to maintain balanced blood sugar levels from the moment they wake up. Integrating green tea into your daily routine is not just easy. It's a simple pleasure that brings a multitude of health benefits, making it a top choice for anyone looking to enhance their diabetes management strategy. Securing the 4th spot on our list is vegetable juice, a vibrant blend of nutrition and convenience for those navigating the complexities of diabetes. Emphasizing fresh, low-sodium options is key, as this ensures you're getting a nutrient-dense start to your day without unnecessary additives that could affect your blood sugar levels. By focusing on leafy greens and non-starchy vegetables, you're minimizing sugar intake while maximizing the health benefits. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, offering a nutritional punch without the high sugar content found in fruit juices. Non-starchy vegetables such as cucumbers and bell peppers add flavor and additional nutrients without significantly impacting blood sugar levels. This combination provides a refreshing and revitalizing way to consume a significant portion of your daily vegetable intake first thing in the morning. Moreover, the natural fiber in these vegetables can help slow the absorption of sugar, providing a steady energy release rather than a spike. While the juicing process does remove some fiber, the concentration of vitamins and antioxidants can still support overall health, including blood sugar regulation and inflammation reduction, both critical aspects of diabetes management. Incorporating vegetable juice into your morning routine is a delicious and efficient way to boost your intake of vegetables and their associated benefits. Whether you're blending your own at home or choosing a store-bought option, remember to keep an eye on sodium and added sugars to ensure you're getting the purest, most beneficial drink possible. This simple habit can make a significant difference in managing diabetes and maintaining overall health. Almond milk, especially the unsweetened variety, takes the 3rd spot on our list, shining as a stellar dairy alternative for those managing diabetes. Its low carbohydrate content makes it an excellent choice for keeping blood sugar levels steady, a crucial factor in diabetes care. Unlike traditional dairy milk, which contains natural sugars that can impact glucose levels, unsweetened almond milk offers a creamy, indulgent texture without the worry. Rich in essential nutrients like calcium and vitamin D, almond milk not only supports bone health but also provides dietary benefits that can aid in diabetes management. These nutrients play a vital role in overall health, with vitamin D being particularly important for blood sugar control and insulin sensitivity. The versatility of almond milk is another advantage. It can seamlessly replace cow's milk in coffee, cereal, smoothies, and baking, making it an easy switch for those looking to reduce their sugar intake without sacrificing taste or texture. This swap is particularly beneficial in the morning when starting the day with a low-sugar, nutrient-rich beverage can set the tone for balanced blood sugar levels throughout the day. Choosing unsweetened almond milk ensures that you're enjoying all the benefits of this dairy alternative without any added sugars, aligning with a diabetes-friendly diet. Its subtle, nutty flavor and creamy consistency can elevate your morning routine, proving that managing diabetes doesn't mean compromising on taste or the pleasure of a rich, satisfying drink. Landing at number 2, black coffee offers a surprising array of benefits for those looking to manage diabetes. Beyond its ability to kickstart your morning, coffee is brimming with antioxidants, compounds known for their ability to fight inflammation and protect cells from damage. These antioxidants can also play a role in blood sugar regulation, making coffee a potent ally in diabetes management. Research suggests that drinking coffee may lower the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. This protective effect is thought to stem from coffee's ability to enhance insulin sensitivity, thereby improving blood sugar control. Moreover, the caffeine in coffee can boost metabolism and increase fat burning, which indirectly supports blood sugar regulation by aiding in weight management, a key factor in diabetes care. It's essential, however, to consume coffee in its purest form, black, without added sugars or heavy creamers. These additions can negate the benefits by introducing unnecessary calories and carbohydrates, leading to spikes in blood sugar levels. Enjoying black coffee maintains its health-promoting properties, ensuring that you can savor its rich, robust flavor and reap the benefits without compromising your diabetes management goals. Coffee's role in supporting blood sugar regulation exemplifies the power of dietary choices in managing diabetes, showcasing how a simple cup of coffee can contribute to overall well-being. Taking the top spot on our list is the potent blend of water with apple cider vinegar, ACV. This simple yet powerful concoction has been touted for its health benefits, particularly for those managing diabetes. A tablespoon of ACV in a glass of water, consumed first thing in the morning, can make a significant difference in blood sugar control. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar is the star player here, known for its ability to reduce blood sugar levels post-meal by improving insulin sensitivity. Studies have shown that consuming vinegar before meals can enhance insulin sensitivity by 19 to 34% during a high-carb meal and significantly lower blood sugar and insulin response. Incorporating ACV into your morning routine can be a game-changer for diabetes management. Its effectiveness lies not just in its impact on blood sugar levels, but also in its versatility as a dietary addition. Beyond its direct benefits, starting your day with ACV and water can promote a habit of hydration, setting a positive tone for health-focused choices throughout the day. While the taste of ACV in water might be challenging for some, its potential benefits for blood sugar regulation make it worth considering. Diluting a tablespoon in a large glass of water can help mitigate the strong taste, making it a more palatable option. As with any dietary change, especially for those with diabetes, it's wise to consult with a healthcare provider before incorporating apple cider vinegar into your routine to ensure it complements your overall management plan effectively. This simple morning drink could be a step towards more balanced blood sugar levels and overall improved health. And there you have it, our top 5 morning drinks for managing diabetes, with water and apple cider vinegar leading the pack for its blood sugar-lowering prowess. Each of these beverages offers unique benefits, from the antioxidant-rich green tea to the metabolic boost of black coffee, all tailored to support your diabetes management journey. Remember, incorporating these drinks into your morning routine is just one step toward effective diabetes control. Consistent monitoring, a balanced diet, and regular exercise play crucial roles in maintaining optimal health. If you found this video helpful, why not dive deeper into each option? Explore our channel for more detailed insights into diabetes management, nutritious recipes, and lifestyle tips that empower you to lead a healthier life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content designed with your well-being in mind. Your health journey is unique, and we're here to provide the knowledge and support you need every step of the way. Cheers to a healthier, happier you. See you in the next video.